Hello dear students, today we are going to start a last topic, create and insert different types of charts in a spreadsheet. Unit 4, Spreadsheet Tools. In the last video, we discussed a fourth topic, understand and apply referencing. Let's start today's video. First one topic, chart. What is chart? The chart are visual representation of worksheet data. Charts often make it easier to understand data in a worksheet because users can easily pick out patterns and trends illustrated in the chart that are otherwise difficult to understand. Follow simple step to insert chart. So firstly, open a worksheet. Here already type some data. Firstly, select the range. And then click on insert menu and then click on chart, and then this window will appear. This is a chart wizard window, and then select a chart type. Here I am selecting a column chart and then click on next. Second step, data range. Already selected range data A1 to B6 and then click on next. Third step is data series. Data series name is a periodic test. Third step, data series, and then click on next. And fourth one, chart element. If you want to some changes here, title, subtitle, x-axis, y-axis, display grid x-axis or y-axis, display legend left, right, top or bottom, you can select and then click a finish button. Your chart is ready. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. This is a column chart. Next one topic, different types of chart. First, line chart, pie chart, scatter chart, bar chart, area chart and column chart. First one, line chart. The line chart in Calc are used for showing trend over time. Each line in the graph shows the changes in the value of one data item. Second one, pie chart. The pie chart are used for showing percentage. And third one, scatter chart. XY chart is based on one data series consisting of a name, a list of X value and a list of Y values. Each value pair is shown as a point in a coordinate system. And next one, bar chart. The bar chart are very similar to column chart except they run horizontally on the page instead of vertically like column chart. Next one, area chart. An area chart shows value as point on the y-axis. The x-axis show categories. The y values of each data series are connected by a line. And next one, column chart. The column chart are used for showing comparison between various data items. Each column in the chart presents the value of one data item. So dear friends, in this video you learn what is chart and how to insert a chart in a spreadsheet, and also you learn different types of chart in a spreadsheet. In the next video, we will start a fifth unit, digital presentation. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.